Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use the zoom out feature in Higgsfield AI. This is a powerful effect that helps us expand our scene and create cinematic wide-angle visuals. Let's get started. To create a zoom out effect, all we have to do is click on the video option at the top of the screen. Once we are here, we just need to choose the model, then change it to the Higgsfield's DOP. Here, we can see it right away. Now, under Effects, we just need to click to make a change. In this Higgsfield's DOP, we will type Zoom here. We will then be shown different kinds of zoom effects to choose from. Let's select this one, and then we will upload our video and generate. We are not able to generate right now because this is not a free feature. We cannot demonstrate the full output since it requires a premium account. But if you do have premium, this is exactly where you can find the zoom out effect in Higgsfield AI. This tool allows us to use the Higgsfield AI zoom out feature to extend images beyond their original frame using AI. With this simple feature, we can enhance our images and create stunning expanded scenes.